absolute lowest level, atoms. You, my friend, are a walking, talking conglomerate of roughly 7 octillion atoms. These atoms form molecules, which then build the smallest unit of living things, cells. When similar cells group together, they form tissues, like muscle or nerve tissue. Combine 2 or more tissue types, and boom, you get organs, like your heart or your lungs. When those organs work together, they form organ systems. And finally, all those systems combine to form the highest level, the organism. The whole shebang. You. To put that into a more relatable perspective, let's say you eat a massive burrito. Your digestive system is an absolute masterclass in this hierarchy. The tissues form your liver, your stomach, and your intestines. All of these distinct organs then unite as an organs system with one very specific, highly coordinated goal, moving that burrito safely and efficiently all the way from your dinner plate to the toilet. It's a beautiful, if maybe slightly graphic, symphony of biological organization.
Which leads us to section 4, maintaining the balance, the law of homeostasis.
Having all these complex systems working together is great, but it isn't enough. They have to be perfectly managed. All these trillions of active cells must maintain a delicate, constant equilibrium just to keep you alive from one second to the next. The medical term for this constant equilibrium is homeostasis. Basically, this is your body's ability to maintain stable internal conditions regardless of what crazy things are happening out in the real world. Your survival totally relies on balancing your blood pressure, keeping your body temperature perfectly regulated, managing your water intake, and delivering just the right amount of oxygen. If any of these metrics get thrown too far out of whack, the whole system crashes. To really understand the high stakes of homeostasis, let's look at a pretty morbid, extreme example. Let's say you suffer a severe arterial wound, like say your arm is suddenly severed. Obviously, this is bad. But why do you actually die from this? You don't die just because the arm is gone. I mean, people live long, healthy lives missing limbs. You die because the arterial wound causes your blood pressure to drastically drop. When blood pressure drops, oxygen delivery to your cells completely stops. When your cells don't get oxygen, they can't process energy. The end result is a total, irreversible loss of homeostasis. And that cascading failure is what ultimately leads to death. And that brings us to our final part, Section 5. Navigating the human map, standardized anatomical terminology. Because losing homeostasis is so incredibly dangerous and the body is just so complex, medical professionals absolutely cannot afford to be vague when something goes wrong. To fix the machine, doctors need a highly